Hey, what's going on, you Bulldogs? Mr. Holdren here, and you're at home because it's a Teacher Institute day. And before our day starts, I figured I'd make a little Bulldog Weekly for you. Episode 6 coming at you. As you see, we are currently in the podcast studio here at RBTV, and podcasts are open for anybody and everybody if they're interested. Whether you're in the class or you're a teacher, you can come before school, after school, during a study hall even, come on down and lay your podcast on me. We have a lot of great segments today, so let's get into it right away. To start off, we're going to look at the Advanced Auto Tech course here that is ran by Mr. May, and we're going to see what all the hype's about. Let's check it out.
I took the regular auto course my freshman year with the previous teacher, and I enjoyed the course, but I heard that it was a much more fleshed out course here with the new teacher.
The auto class just got a brand new instructor, which would be Benjamin May, and I wanted to join to see if I could fix a car.
I enrolled last year for the first time because I was really interested in cars, and I didn't expect to learn as much as I did from it.
One hands-on project I worked on is the coolant flush on my own car, my Ford Explorer. So I was able to bring it in and diagnose the problem, and I replaced the thermostat on the car, and all that's something that I wouldn't have been able to do just by myself without the help of the auto shop. And it was just awesome to be able to do it on your own car.
I didn't realize how much precision goes into working on cars, going torque spec on every single bolt, just problem solving in general. So it has nothing to do with cars, but going through and finding the fixes or the most common problems.
Oh, well, we have a Beetle in the garage right now, and it needs a lot of work, but I'm learning a lot from it because it's one of those cars that sort of is very different from modern cars because of how old it is. So it has drum brakes, and we're doing a full drum brake replacement on it right now.
As soon as you get up to the advanced classes, you'll be working up on machines, and if you're at the very top, you'll be working on your own cars.
I expected to gain some auto skills, basic auto skills, but being around so many heavy-duty machines has taught me to be super careful and super precise and very aware of my surroundings and what I do.
The stuff I learned in this class I can definitely apply to just performing maintenance, routine maintenance on my own car, just in my driver or whatever. But then also with the stuff I've been able to learn in class, I could get just a side job as a mechanic if I wanted to.
At the moment, I'm thinking about going into the Army to do aircraft mechanics, and overall, this problem solving that I learned from this class would help a lot with that.
Knowing enough about cars to hold your own and be able to fix what you can fix and know what needs to be fixed going into the garage when you need something to get fixed for you. It's very mature, and it's something that I feel it's a skill everyone should have.
Thank you so much, Mr. May, for letting us into the classroom and showing me what you do here at RB. Coming up next, we're going to show you 2 PSAs. One was created by RJ, the other was created by Charlotte and Sophia. RJ's deals with suicide awareness, and special thanks and help from Dr. Freitas with this one. And then Soph and Charlotte's deals with an important issue in athletics. Let's check it out.
Each year, thousands of lives are lost to suicide. If you're struggling, I want you to hear this. You are not alone. There is help and there is hope. Talk to someone you trust, reach out to a counselor, or call 988. Your life matters.
Hey, great PSAs, really important information there. Again, thanks to Dr. Freitas for helping us out with that one, and Charlotte and Soph, phenomenal job. Also, shout out to the Advanced TV Arts class for being actors in that PSA. Appreciate you guys. We have two last things I'm going to show you here. The first, we are going to watch a movie trailer that was created by Scarlett, who is a student in the Advanced TV 1 class. And then we're going to follow that up with a short speech promo video that was created by Lilian and Madison for the TV Arts course. So let's check it out and then we'll wrap this show up, folks. All right, so that's the podcast, and that was Bulldog Weekly, episode number 6. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and remember, have a great weekend. Go out and support the boys football team tonight. They're going to go undefeated for the season, hopefully. I got a feeling they will. And remember, next week is the Halloween edition of RBTV's Bulldog Weekly, so stay tuned for that because I think you're going to enjoy it. All right, have a good weekend, everybody.